3 unique iPhone feature you must try. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you top 3 unique iPhone feature you can try. So let's get started. First, there is the tips like for back tap. As you can find it on settings, simply open settings. After you open settings, tap on accessibility. From here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on touch. Now from here, again scroll down and tap on the option back tap. From here, turn on it and you can go with the option double tap or triple tap. Simply go with one option. After that, you can choose a control that back tap will do, like I have chosen here for flashlight. Whenever I do back tap for my iPhone, I will be able to turn on my flashlight. So this is the method to turn on the backlight. Second, you can hide your photos by using Photos app. Simply open Photos app on your iPhone. After that, simply you'll have to select those photo or picture whom you want to hide. After you select, tap on 3 dots at the bottom right. From here, tap on hide. Now from here, simply tap on hide add videos. After that, photos will be added to your hidden album. You can easily access from the utility section, which will at the bottom of your Photos app. Third one is the sound recognition. For that, simply open settings. And from the settings section, again you'll have to come on accessibility. From here, you'll have to just find out the option for sound recognition. After you find it, simply tap on that. Now from here, simply tap and turn it on. After that, your iPhone can actually listen for sounds like doorbells, alarms, or even a crying baby and send you instant alerts if you have set it. After that, you'll be able to access that sound recognition feature. And that's it. These are the top 3 iPhone unique feature you can try. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.